Hi and welcome back to the channel. So I've been shopping on AliExpress. This arrived today. It's the Juwei-17 harmonic mount. So I'm going to take you through the unboxing. As I said in the intro, this is the Juwei-17, well I hope it is anyway, the Juwei-17 harmonic mount. I've seen various people, there's a couple of videos on YouTube about this mount, but I've not actually seen anybody use it in anger, should we say, but I've seen some very good reviews and seen some guiding numbers that look really exceptional. It cost me, including VAT and import and all that, just under £900, which if you compare it to, well basically this is compared to the original AM5 by ZWO, which weighs around 5.5 kilos. This is 5.15 kilos. Without the counterweight it can manage 13 kilograms, and with the counterweight up to 18 kilograms, which is very similar to the original AM5. It's got Wi-Fi, it's got Bluetooth, USB. This one comes with a, I hope it does anyway, comes with a hammer. Yep, well they call it a hammer, which is your counterweight tube. So that's that. I didn't order the hand controller because I am going to be controlling it through the PC, and that's that cable there. It doesn't come with any power leads because I believe for them it just trying to ship it out from China with all various different power leads will be difficult, but it just takes a standard 5.1 tip positive. So I'll probably use like one of my Altair camera cables to power it. But other stats, they claim it can guide for under 13 kilos between 0.3 and 0.6, and up to 18 kilos at 0.5 to 0.8. So that sounds fantastic. But you don't get a box with it, but you can certainly adapt a camera bag to house it all. So what else we got in here? So got some various bits and pieces here to attach it to the tripod that's coming. I've ordered also from AliExpress the ZWO TC40 carbon fibre tripod, and I've got a pier which I'll show you in a moment. So yeah, that's what's in the box. Let's get the main attraction out. Let's have a look at that. Now from first impressions, that feels really well made. It feels really good and sturdy. I've ordered the wider dovetail so you can fit Losmandy, and oh yeah, they're nice, they're smooth. Losmandy and standard Vixen dovetail. Let's have a feel of the, oh yeah, the polar alignment pieces feel really, see, unlock that and alter your, oh that's really smooth. Well, first impressions are this feels like a really well made piece of kit. Yeah, I'm impressed. So you can see on the side here you've got your USB. That would be where it's powered by OnStep. You can get the ASCOM drivers for that, no problem at all. And there's your power there. There isn't any additional USB slots to power anything else, but I've got the new SV-Bony, I think it's the 241 little power box, so that'll be on my mount. I'll be powering everything, including this head from there. So there's the unboxing. I can't wait to use it. I'm just waiting now, like I say, for the tripod, and that's on its final journey, so that should be here hopefully. Well, it's bank holiday weekend now, so I'll probably get it on Tuesday. But I just wanted to share the unboxing with you, just to give you the first look at these. And there's loads of colours you can choose as well. So I went for the blue and black because I thought it, you know, all looks good in the dark, doesn't it? But I thought it would look quite good on the old the black carbon fibre tripod. But yeah, you can get red, you can get silver, they have loads and loads of colours on AliExpress. And this took 12 days to get here. So like I said, I paid just under £900 including shipping and taxes. So hopefully we've got ourselves a nice little harmonic mount. So keep posted. I'll be posting the first light video hopefully next week with the tripod, and we'll see how we get on. Until then, clear skies.